Morning, New York, 959 Mike Juliet, level 4,000.
959 Mike Juliet, New York approach. Hello, altimeter 3032.
329 Mike Juliet.
And Mike Juliet, know the weather is IFR, but are you familiar with the cancellation procedures whenever you do break out?
I was going to cancel with you on the
Yeah, you just got to do it before you, before you land, pretty much. Otherwise, I got to stop all the Newark arrivals.
No problem. I'll cancel with you as soon as I have the airport in sight.
Okay, sounds good. So proceed direct Linden and stand by for lower.
Direct Linden, standing by for lower, 9 Mike Juliet.
I don't have any weather for Linden. Do you have the AWOS or ASOS or whatever?
We're just getting it now as ceiling is 1,000 feet. Thank you.
Okay, altimeter 3032.
032 and go direct Linden, 9 Mike Juliet.
Sounds good, thanks. And I guess 9 Mike Juliet, you can proceed direct weird for now.
Direct weird for now, 9 Mike Juliet.
Number 959 Mike Juliet, going to maintain 2000. 9 Mike Juliet, weird, commence the approach, and as always, let me know when you're able to cancel.
9 Mike Juliet, we'll go.
Number 9 Mike Juliet, turn left direct Dappy.
Direct Dappy, 9 Mike Juliet.
Number 9 Mike Juliet, base is reported at 500 feet.
Again, 9 Mike Juliet.
The base is reported at 500 feet.
We'll take a look at it. New York, the AWOS at Linden is still saying 700.
That was a pilot from the last arrival at Newark.
9 Mike Juliet.
Information, November's turn at Newark. November's calling the ceiling at 800 broken.
9 Mike Juliet.
November 9 Mike Juliet, 3 miles from Daffy. Approach Daffy at 2,000, cleared for the Alpha approach.
Okay, cross Daphne and 2,000, cleared from the Alpha approach, 9 Mike Juliet.
Mike Juliet, correct, clear for the GPS Alpha approach.
GPS Alpha, 9 Mike Juliet.
Approach at 1766, descending 9.0 for 8,000 via the Filbo 3 November.
Out of 1766, New York, proceed direct griddy for an ILS runway 4 right approach, altimeter 3031.
3031, direct griddy, ILS 4 right approach at 1766.
United 817, reduce 3 to 180.
180 now, United 817.
Switch at 791, turn left heading 090, minutes at runway 605.
090, general local out there, exit at 791.
United 817, 7 miles from Dillon, sliding 070, maintain 3,000, full service on the localizer, third ILS runway 4 right approach.
070, 3000, still establish third ILS 4 right approach, United 817.
Muted 5018, New York, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000 to 5018.
American 1639, descend and maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, 1539.
United 817, contact the Newark Tower 180.3, 170 or better until Dillon.
180 to Dillon, tower now, United 817 getting.
United 1766, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, United 1766.
Bermuda 5018, turn left heading 130.
Heading 130, 5018.
American 1609, 90 miles from Dillon, sliding 070, maintain 3,000 till service on the localizer, third ILS runway 4 right approach.
070, 3000 till establish cleared for the ILS 4 right approach at Newark, American 1539.
Approach at United 6, again 9.6, sending via the Filbo, we got Oscar.
United 296, Roger. November 9 Mike Juliet, safe flight conditions.
And again, oh, we're still IFR.
American 1539, contact Newark Tower 180.3.
183 for tower, American 1539, see ya.
Bermuda 5018, descend and maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, 5018.
Und Boris?
United 296, descend and maintain 5,000, altimeter 3032.
Down to 5, 3032, United 296.
United 296, proceed direct griddy for an ILS runway 4 right approach.
Direct to griddy for United 296.
November 9 Mike Juliet, safe flight conditions. And 9 Mike Juliet, check altitude immediately. November 905, Niner, Mike Juliet, New York approach. Bermuda 5018, turn right heading 220.
220, clear 5018.
November 9, Mike Juliet, New York.
6, reduce speed to 190.
Going to 190, 1766.
Morning, approach JetBlue 644, 8000 with Oscar.
JetBlue 644, flying 090, maintain 6000, accept the ILS 220.
090, heading down to 6000, JetBlue 644.
Yeah, at 726, maintain 3000, clear established, clear for the ILS 4 right.
3000 till established, cleared the ILS 4 right approach at 1766.
Speed at 5018, turn right to 360.
Right turn 360, clear 5018.
United 296, turn right 090.
090, United 296.
United 296, speed 210.
Slow 210, United 296.
Commuter 5018, heading 270, maintain 4000.
Heading 270, climb to 4000, clear 5018.
United 766, cancel your approach clearance, turn left heading 270 and maintain 3000, that'll hold you out.
Alright, 3000, cancel the approach clearance and turn left 040, was it?
Left 270 and speed 210, United 1766.
Alright, speed 210 and 270 on the heading, United 1766.
JetBlue 644, speed 210.
210, JetBlue 644.
United 296, speed 210.
210, United 296.
United 296, turn left heading 360.
360, United 296.
Commuter 5018, turn left heading 090.
Left turn 090, 5018.
United 1756, turn left heading 250. I can take you back in now, speed 190. I'll take you lower here in a second.
Alright, 250 on the heading, speed 190, United 1766.
United 1756, it's going to maintain 2000, turn left heading 200.
Got a 2000, left turn 200, United 1766.
Commuter 5018, turn left 0 gritty, it's going to maintain 3000.
Got a 3000, left turn direct gritty, commuter 5018.